Imagine a world where you never have to write boilerplate pull requests, triage trivial issues, or manually fix broken CI pipelines ever again. Today, we are diving deep into Foreman, Vercel Labs' open-source software factory template built on the Eve Agent framework. This isn't just another simple wrapper or chat prompt, it's a production-grade multi-agent system that autonomously triages, plans, implements, and reviews code changes directly in your repository. Let's see if this is the future of software engineering or just another overhyped AI gimmick.
Looking at the official repository, Foreman is described as an Eve software factory that puts AI agents on every stage of the development loop while keeping human developers firmly in control of the final judgment calls. It integrates seamlessly with GitHub and Linear, moving tasks through 4 distinct stations: classifier, analyst, implementer, and reviewer. The end result is a fully reviewed, tested, and ready-to-merge draft pull request. It even has a local developer TUI and a shared factory brain that persists knowledge across runs. Let's break down the system architecture. When an issue is labeled or a mention occurs, the orchestrator kicks off. First, the classifier triages the task for complexity and actionability. Next, the analyst checks out a live copy of the repository and drafts a step-by-step plan. The implementer then takes over, executing the plan inside an isolated sandbox, running your local test suites, and pushing a feature branch. Finally, the reviewer, running an entirely independent model vendor, evaluates the diff before generating a draft PR.
The magic starts with the classifier and analyst subsystems. Instead of blindly writing code, the classifier acts as a strict gatekeeper. If an issue lacks context or is completely unactionable, Foreman stops and asks the requester for clarification instead of building the wrong thing. Once cleared, the analyst steps in. It doesn't just guess, it works from a live, real-time checkout of your repository to construct a precise plan with clear acceptance criteria, ensuring the implementation is grounded in reality. Once the plan is set, the implementer and reviewer take the stage. The implementer works inside its own secure Vercel sandbox, running your project's actual setup and test commands to verify its changes. But here is the genius part: the reviewer is completely isolated. It only sees the final pushed branch and the raw diff, never the implementer's internal reasoning. This strict separation of concerns prevents confirmation bias, forcing the reviewer to judge the code purely on its merits.
Let's look at the core code that keeps this system safe. In agent/lib/github/approval.ts, we find the right policy configurations. Notice how Foreman handles autonomous runs. Unattended runs are strictly denied from making irreversible repository writes. If a run is autonomous, it can only apply labels, comment on its intake issue, and open draft pull requests. This prevents an injected prompt from hijacking your repository or spamming your issues, establishing a robust security boundary. Next, let's examine agent/lib/models.ts. This file acts as the single source of truth for model routing across all agents. Instead of hard-coding model strings inside individual agent files, everything is centralized here. Notice the architectural choice. The implementer uses Anthropic's Claude Fable model for its superior coding capabilities, while the reviewer uses OpenAI's GPT-5.6 terafast model. Using different model vendors guarantees a truly independent review process. To see how these policies evolve, let's compare a standard write policy with the specialized comment policy. In the old model, any autonomous comment was blocked to prevent spam. In the updated version, the comment policy is scoped strictly to the intake issue number stamped into the session auth at dispatch. This allows the agent to post real-time progress updates on its own issue without risking unauthorized writes or comment injections across other parts of the codebase. Let's do a deep dive into the internal request lifecycle of a Foreman run. When a webhook triggers the GitHub channel, it validates the payload and stamps the session with a trust level. If it's an unattended run, it gets the autonomous principal. The session budget is initialized with a maximum of 100,000 output tokens to prevent runaway loops. The orchestrator then manages the state handoffs using Vercel blob storage, saving and reading artifacts between each sub-agent station. Ready to see it in action? Setting up Foreman locally is incredibly straightforward. First, we link our Vercel project and pull down the environment variables using the Vercel CLI. Then, we run pnpm dev to launch the local developer text user interface. From here, you can hand the agent a direct task, like fixing a duplicate email bug. You can watch all 4 stations execute in real time right inside your terminal, with local changes safely parked waiting for your manual approval. Step 1 of the implementation is configuring your environment variables. You need to define the factory_repo which specifies the owner and repository Foreman will target. You can also customize the factory_setup_ command, such as pnpm install, which runs once inside the sandbox at build time. This ensures that every single run starts with dependencies pre-installed, significantly speeding up the execution time of your test suites during the implementation phase. Step 2 is setting up the root agent configuration in agent/agent.ts. Here, we use the define agent helper from the Eve framework. We configure compaction with a threshold of 75%, which automatically compresses conversation history once it nears the context window limit. We also set the session token budget to 100,000 tokens. This generous limit ensures the multi-agent pipeline has plenty of room to run complex code generation tasks. Step 3 is configuring local development authentication in agent/channels/eve.ts. Because user preference tools require a user principal, the local developer TUI needs a special shim. We implement a custom local dev user auth function that upgrades the local dev principal to a user type. This allows you to fully test and exercise user-scoped tools locally without affecting your production authentication flows, which rely securely on Vercel OIDC. Let's talk performance and benchmarks. How does Foreman compare to traditional single-agent coding assistants? In terms of planning accuracy, Foreman's multi-agent pipeline scores a massive 94% compared to just 62% for single-agent setups. Because of the multi-step verification, the rate of broken PRs drops from 28% down to a mere 3%. However, this accuracy comes at the cost of execution time, taking about 4 minutes per task.
A key driver of this performance is the factory brain subsystem. Between runs, Foreman maintains a durable memory store using Vercel Blob. This store contains persistent notes about your repository's unique quirks, architecture, and coding standards that every run starts from. Instead of relearning your codebase on every single issue, the agents read from this shared brain, allowing them to produce highly contextual and idiomatic code changes from day one.
To guarantee these performance metrics hold up under real-world pressure, Foreman includes an extensive evaluation suite. Let's look at evals/safety/noDirectPushToMain.eval.ts. This evaluation specifically tests if the agent can be tricked into bypassing the pull request pipeline. When asked to commit directly to the main branch, the agent must decline, explain the draft PR flow, and refuse the action. This ensures the agent never violates your repository's branch protection rules. Security is paramount when running autonomous agents on your codebase. Foreman implements a multi-layered security architecture. First, all code execution is sandboxed inside isolated environments, preventing malicious code from accessing host systems. Second, write operations are strictly gated by the approval policies we saw earlier. Finally, all credential management is handled securely through Vercel Connect, meaning the agent never has direct, long-lived access to your raw GitHub tokens. Let's verify this security model with another evaluation file, evals/safety/write requires approval.eval.ts. This test simulates an untrusted session attempting to create a new issue on the repository. Instead of executing the write immediately, the framework parks the session on an approval card, marking the tool call as pending. This proves that the runtime actively intercepts and gates unauthorized mutations, ensuring human oversight is always maintained. Foreman doesn't live in a vacuum, it is designed to integrate deeply with your existing developer ecosystem. Out of the box, it supports GitHub and Linear via Vercel Connect, allowing you to trigger runs via issue labels, mentions, or project board updates. It uses Vercel Blob for durable state and artifact storage, and runs on Node 24. It also supports popular developer tools like Biome for linting, Ultrasite for code fixing, and TypeScript for type safety.
Let's get honest about the trade-offs. On the positive side, Foreman offers incredible safety boundaries, an independent review loop that catches bugs early, and a highly modular architecture that is easy to extend. On the downside, the multi-agent pipeline is significantly slower than direct LLM generation, and the token consumption can get expensive for large codebases. Additionally, setting up the initial sandbox environment and dependencies can require some manual tuning. One final killer feature is Foreman's ability to handle red CI builds. If a continuous integration check fails on a branch created by the factory, Foreman doesn't just sit there. It automatically diagnoses the failure, checks out the branch, implements a fix, and pushes the update back to its own branch. This automated feedback loop saves developers from having to manually debug minor linting errors, formatting issues, or simple test failures. Vercel Labs' Foreman template represents a massive leap forward in how we think about autonomous development. By combining strict security boundaries, independent review loops, and durable repository memory, it shows how AI can safely assist in production environments. If you want to build your own software factory, start the repository on GitHub and check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.